In today's video, you'll need 4 dessert bowls from Dollar Tree, a package of napkin rings and a candle, and some bling wrap. I'll leave all the items in the description box for you. Please comment and subscribe if you like this video. Hello, today I'll be showing you how I created this DIY Dollar Tree candle holder. I got everything except the little floral wrap that's on the candle from Dollar Tree. However, I will be leaving all of the items in the description box. The tray that's sitting beside the candle holder was created in last week's video. I will also leave a link in the description box for you if you want to check that video out. And I will go ahead and get started with how I created this particular candle holder. I thought adding a little of the diamond wrap at the edge of each of the dessert bowls gave it a really nice look. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. Now, one of the reasons I added napkin rings in between each bowl was to give it a little height. Twist each bowl a little bit like this, just so that there will be a little difference in each bowl, and it looks really pretty when you look straight down into the candle holder. Here I fast forwarded and I didn't show you the third bowl that I added. Then I put my fourth bowl on top of it to start the base for the candle holder. I decided to add the second napkin ring on just to give it a little bit more height. It was a little too short with just one. The thing is that if you do make two candle holders and you want height variation, you can add a third napkin ring to make that height variation. At first I was going to put the floral wrap on the top of the candle, then I thought it would be better at the bottom of the candle because it was close to the silver and it looked like a better match. Let me know what you think. added 2 strands of the bling wrap from Dollar Tree, and I really like the whole look of this candle holder. Let me know what you think in the comments.